Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance for crypto trading. First, you will need to set up and verify your Binance account, which typically involves identity verification. Once verified, you can deposit funds, either by linking a bank account for fiat currency or transferring existing crypto from another wallet. With funds in place, you are ready to explore the vast array of cryptocurrencies available on the platform and begin your trading journey. When placing your first trade, understanding order types is crucial. A market order is the simplest, executing instantly at the best available price. For more control, a limit order lets you specify the exact price you wish to buy or sell at. It only fills when the market reaches your set price. Stop limit orders offer advanced risk management, combining a stop price with a limit price to protect your investments. Effective portfolio management is key to successful crypto trading. Binance provides comprehensive tools to help you track your assets, monitor performance, and analyze your investment strategy. Regularly review your holdings and consider rebalancing to maintain your desired asset allocation. Setting up price alerts for your favorite cryptocurrencies can also help you react quickly to significant market changes, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Beyond spot trading, Binance offers advanced features like futures and options for experienced traders seeking higher leverage. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication and using strong, unique passwords. Be aware of withdrawal limits, which can vary based on your verification level, and understand the associated transaction fees for different cryptocurrencies. These practices ensure a safer and more informed trading experience on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.